Namo Namaha, myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Manorajyasya Phalam. Stories have been a very strong and effective method of inculcating moral and ethical things since time. A classical example of this is the king Amar Shakti, whose son could not be taught by any traditional means. It was only when the scholar Vishnu Sharma took them into this fold and narrated to them stories that could make them proficient in administration. It is these stories which formed the basis of the 5 principles of Panchatantra. First, Mitra Bhedaha. Second, Mitra Sampraptihi. Third, Kakolokiyam. Fourth, Labdha Pranashah. 5, Aparikshita Karakam. The present story, Manorajyasya Phalam, is taken from the Aparikshita Karakam, which deals with the effect of actions done without proper thinking. The present story, Manorajyasya Phalam, tells us the ill effects of the daydreaming and building castles in air without proper action to follow it. So let's see the story. Manorajyasya Phalam. Phalam means result. Manorajyasya daydreaming. Result of daydreaming. कस्मिंचित् नगरे कश्चित् स्वभावकृपणः नाम कोऽपि भिक्षुकः प्रतिवसति स्म. Students, we know that the sma shows the past tense. Maybe prativasati is the latlakar. Kasminchit nagare, in a certain city. In a certain city, there lived. Prativasati, there lived. In a certain city, there lived. Kaschit स्वभावकृपणः नाम. कः अपि भिक्षुकः. कः अपि भिक्षुकः, a certain monk. A certain monk named Swabhavkrupana. Named Swabhavkrupana. In certain city there lived a certain monk named Swabhavkrupana. तेन भिक्षया प्राप्तेन शक्तुपिष्टेन कलशः सम्पूरितः. तेन सम्पूरितः, he filled. कलशः, pot. He filled the pot. He filled a pot. शक्तुपिष्टेन, with the flour of sattu. Saktupistena, with the flour of sattu. Bhiksha praptena, which he obtained as alms. Bhiksha means alms, which he obtained as alms. Praptena sampuritah, कर्मणि भूतकालवाचक धातु साधित विशेषण. He filled a pot with the flour of sattu. Saktupistena, with the flour of sattu. Bhiksha praptena, which he obtained. Which he obtained as alms. Bhiksha means alms. Tam cha ghatam nagadante rajva badva tasya adhastata katam prasarya satatam tadvishay chintayan saha suptah. Tam cha ghatam nagadante rajva badva. Badva tvantavve. After hanging. Badva means hanging, tying. After hanging that pot. Tam ghatam, after hanging that pot. Rajva, with a rope. With a rope. Nagadante, to the nail. Nagadante, to the nail. After hanging that pot with a rope to the nail. Tasya adhasthata, exactly below it. Tasya adhasthata, exactly below it. Katam, a mat. Prasarya, spreading. Prasarya labantavve, spreading a mat. Prasarya katam, spreading a mat. Tasya adhasthata, exactly below it. Tasya it, exactly below it. Saha suptah, he fails asleep. Saha suptah, he fails asleep. Suptah, कर्तरी वर्तमान कालवाचक धातु साधित विशेषण. He fell asleep. सततम तद विषय चिंतयन. सततम, constantly. चिंतयन, thinking. Tad vishay, about it. Constantly thinking about it. Constantly thinking about it. After hanging that pot with a rope to the nail, spreading a mat exactly below it, he fell asleep. Constantly thinking about it. Saha achintayat, he thought. Yat paripurnah ayam ghatah तावत् शक्तुपिष्टेन वर्तते. He thought, अयं घट, this pot परिपूर्णः शक्तुपिष्टेन is filled with the sattu flour. He thought this pot is filled with sattu flour. वर्तते लट्लकार. यदि दुर्भिक्षं भवति तर्हि अस्य विक्रयणेन रूप्यकाणां 100 प्राप्स्यामि रीट्लकार फ्यूचर टेंस. यदि if दुर्भिक्षं भवति, if there is a famine, दुर्भिक्षं famine दुष्काल. If there is a famine, scarcity of food or dushkal. If there is a famine, प्राप्स्यामि रीट लगार भविष्यकाल. I will get 100 रूप्यकाणां 100 rupees. I will get 100 rupees. अस्य विक्रयणेन by selling it. If there is a famine, I will get 100 rupees by selling it. ततः तेन अहम अजाद्वयं क्रेष्यामि रीट लकार फ्यूचर टेंस. बाय क्रेष्यामि मीन्स बाय. देन ततः देन तेन अहम with that I will buy 2 goats. क्रेष्यामि I will buy 2 goats. ततः षण्मासिक प्रसववशात् ताभ्यां युतः भविष्यति in future. Again future tense रीट लकार. ततः then षण्मासिक after 6 months, षण्मासिक after 6 months of प्रसववशात् of their procreation ताभ्यां युतः भविष्यति. There will be a flock of them. युतः means flock. There will be a flock of them. Then after 6 months of their procreation, there will be a flock of them. ततः अजाभिः प्रभूतां धेनुः ग्रहीष्यामि get future tense रीट लकार. ततः then with the lots of goat प्रभूतः अजाभिः goats with the lots of goats. धेनुः ग्रहीष्यामि I will get cows. धेनुः means cows. I will get cows. धेनुभिः महिषिः with the cows buffaloes. महिषी means buffaloes. With the cows buffaloes. महिषिभिः वडवाः with the buffaloes many mares. वडवाः many mares. With the buffaloes many mares. वडवा प्रसवतः प्रभूतः. From many mares there will be many horses. वडवा प्रसवतः प्रभूतः. With the many mares अश्वः भविष्यति. There will be many horses. भविष्यति रीट लकार. There will be many horses. तेषां विक्रयणात् प्रभूतं सुवर्णं प्राप्स्यामि रीट लकार. I will get lots of gold. I will obtain a lots of gold by विक्रयणात् तेषां by selling them. सुवर्णेन चतुश्शालं गृहं संपत्स्यते रीट लकार फ्यूचर टेंस. सुवर्णेन with the gold. सुवर्णेन तृतीय विभक्ति with the gold. चतुश्शालं गृहं संपत्स्यते there will be संपत्स्यते there will be a mansion. चतुश्शालं there will be a mansion. चतुश्शालं means 4 buildings enclosing a quadrangle. 4 buildings enclosing a quadrangle. With the gold there will be a mansion. ततः कश्चित् धनिकः प्राप्तवयस्कां रूपाढ्यां कन्यां मह्यं दास्यति. ततः then कश्चित् धनिकः some rich man. Then some rich man mayam dasyati. Will give me. Will give me. दास्यति future tense रीट लकार. Will give me. कन्याम रूपाढ्याम. His beautiful daughter. Will give his beautiful daughter. प्राप्तवयस्का. Of marriageable age. प्राप्तवयस्का means of marriageable age. Of marriageable age. Then some rich man will give me his beautiful daughter of marriageable age. आवयोः पुत्रः भविष्यति. आवयोः we two. Then we two will have a son. आवयोः पुत्रः. Then we two will have a son. तस्य अहं सोमशर्मेति नाम करिष्यामि. करिष्यामि रीट लकार फ्यूचर टेंस. तस्य अहम I will name him. करिष्यामि नाम करिष्यामि. I will name him as सोम शर्मा. As सोम शर्मा. ततः सः जानुचलन योग्यः भविष्यति. ततः सः then सः भविष्यति. Then he will be able to. योग्यः भविष्यति. Then he will be able to. जानुचलन योग्यः crawl on knees. Then he will be able to crawl on knees. जानुचलन crawl on knees. एकदा सोमशर्मा मां दृष्ट्वा मत् समीपम् आगमिष्यति. एकदा one day. Once मां दृष्ट्वा after seeing me. मां दृष्ट्वा after seeing me. Once after seeing me सोमशर्मा मत् समीपम् आगमिष्यति. Will come to me. मत् समीपम will come to me. Will come near to me. Will come near to me. आगमिष्यति. ततः अहं कोपाविष्टः अभिधास्यामि भार्यां. ततः अहं then अहं कोपाविष्टः अभिधास्यामि. Then I will angrily say. धास्यामि say. I will angrily say to my wife. भार्यां to my wife. गृहान् बालकमिति. Take the boy. Then I will angrily say to my wife, take the boy. सा अपि मम वचनं न श्रोष्यति. सा अपि she too. She also. She too. न श्रोष्यति will not hear. Will not hear my words. Will not hear my words. श्रोष्यति future tense. Will not hear my words. तावत् काले कश्चन कुक्कुरः तत्र आगमिष्यति. By that time, तावत् काले, by that time, a certain dog आगमिष्यति. Will come there. Will come there. सोमशर्मा तस्मात् भीतः भविष्यति. सोमशर्मा will get scared. भीतः भविष्यति will get scared of it. तस्मात् will get scared of it. ततः अहं समुत्थाय लगुडेन तं कुक्कुरं ताडयिष्यामि. ततः then samutthaya उत्थाय 11th way. After getting up. Then after getting up I ताडयिष्यामि. I will hit tam kukuram that dog. I will hit that dog lagudena with a stick. Then after getting up samutthaya after getting up I will hit that dog with a stick. एवं स्वप्नमग्नः ध्यानस्थितः. Thus स्वप्नमग्न engross in the dream. Engross in the dream. Thus engross in the dream. He engross in the dream. Who was thinking? ध्यानस्थितः who was thinking. Thus engross in the dream. Who was thinking? He. तथैव लगुडप्रहारम् अकरोत्. Struck a blow. लगुड प्रहारम अकरोत् struck a blow with the stick. Who was thinking? Thus engrossed in the dream, he who was thinking struck a blow with the stick. तेन लगुड प्रहारेण चक्तुपिष्ठेन पूर्णः सः घटः भग्नः अभवत्. तेन लगुड प्रहारेण due to the blow of the stick. तेन लगुड प्रहारेण due to the heat of the stick. Due to the blow of the stick. शक्तुपिष्ठः पूर्णः घटः. द पॉट फिल्ड विथ द सत्तू फ्लोवर. घटः सक्तुपिष्टेन पूर्णः. द पॉट फिल्ड विथ द सत्तू फ्लोवर वॉज भग्नः, वॉज शॅटर्ड, वॉज ब्रोकन, अभवत. लंगलकार. वॉज शॅटर्ड और वॉज ब्रोक. अँड स्वभावकृपणः सः पांडुरताम् अगच्छत्. अगच्छत् लंगलकार. अँड दॅट स्वभावकृपण. सः स्वभावकृपणः अँड दॅट स्वभावकृपणः अगच्छत् गॉट. पांडुरताम् गॉट ऑल व्हाइटन्ड. पांडुरताम् गॉट ऑल व्हाइटन्ड. अँड दॅट स्वभावकृपणः गॉट ऑल व्हाइटन्ड. अतः ब्रवीमि. हेन्स आय टेल यू. हेन्स आय टेल यू. अनागतवतीं चिंताम् असंभाव्यां करोति यः स एव पाण्डुरः शेते सोमशर्मपिता यथा. चिंताम् असंभव्यां करोति. अनागतवतीं. He who sleeps over worries something yet to come. He who sleeps over with the worries something yet to come. Anagatavatim. Something yet to come. Or something impossible. Asambhavyam or something impossible. He who sleeps over with the worries something yet to come means something not to come, something yet to come, or something impossible, or something impossible. स एव पांडुरः शेते सोमशर्म पिता यथा. ही गेट्स व्हाइटन. स एव पांडुरः. ही गेट्स व्हाइटन लाइक यथा. जस्ट लाइक सोमशर्मा's father. Just like Somasharma's father who was sleeping. Just like Somasharma's father who was sleeping. He who sleeps over with worries something yet to come or something impossible gets whitened. Pandurah gets whitened just like Somasharma's father who was sleeping. The story tells us that a man should certainly dream big, but his dream should be based on the reality. धन्यवादः.